thank Almighty, my parents, Dr. K.K. Sareen and Uma Sareen, my teachers, and my family for making me see this day. His Holiness, a scholar and God's own man, thanks for blessing the Liver Institute, the ILBS, and through it, the whole medical world, whole scientific community. Thank you, His Holiness. You are bringing divine air, bliss, touch to so many patients and doctors. Will bless ILBS to heal the ailing and rejuvenate the dying. Your coming has inspired all of us, and His Holiness, this visit would be cherished forever. Hospitals are working temples. They are actually dynamic prayer rooms, places for continued soul searching. Every day we go through, morning till night. What priests do, His Holiness, with all respect, is to carry the message of people to the Lord. What doctors do is to carry the message of patients and their relatives to the Lord. He decides whom to bless, not we. We are human beings. But can personification of God come in person? Today is that day. His Holiness, we are so delighted. Thank you. Our worthy chairman, Shri Poliaji, who is the chairman of ILBS and the chief secretary of Delhi, has always helped us. Our secretary health, Shri Das, who has always walked an extra mile to help us, and our principal secretary finance, Shri Archana ji, who has helped us through difficult times, and many other senior bureaucrats, senior citizens, respected people. And above all, we have three very distinguished people here. One, we have Shri Sanjay Gupta, who is the owner of Dainik Jagran group of papers, please. I know, Gupta ji, you reach out to the people through your columns every day. Please reach out to them that they should not fall sick and we should have a healthy India. Please be our partner. We also have Shri Chauhan Sahab from the Amity group of universities. I think he is walking in a minute or so. And we also have our very strong supporter, the Delhi Cricket Association, the BCCI. You know, in India, cricket is in blood. Is that correct or not? Is in the blood. But what else is in the blood is the virus, hepatitis B and hepatitis C. They are also in the blood. We want that these viruses are out of the blood. And we only have healthy blood and healthy cricket. We thank the BCCI and the GDCA for making this event possible. The team ILBS really has worked hard. I would like to bring to attention of His Holiness the importance of this day. Nearly 500 million people around the world have hepatitis B or C. That's almost 1/6 of or 1/8 of world's population. These viruses, hepatitis B and C, are transmitted similarly as HIV or AIDS. His Holiness, we just want to draw your attention that through your endorsing, through your coming, how can we reach to people? I'll give you an idea. On your way, you touched the hands of many people with jaundice. You must have seen. They were sick. They were suffering from hepatitis B or hepatitis C. These are silent killers, and many of these patients develop liver cancer and they die. Thousands of children are born every day. From mother, the virus is transmitted to the baby without any mistake of the baby. Without her knowing that she has got it from her mother, she suffers all her life. His Holiness, if you say a word that every newborn across the world should be vaccinated for hepatitis B, so be it. Please say, sir, that every newborn will get a vaccine against hepatitis B, and you will save the world. Hepatitis C, 200 million people have it. Other parts of the world, we have free medicines, but not for India. They are very expensive. Your saying will go a long way that all patients with hepatitis C and B should get free treatment like for HIV. If you say it will be so, His Holiness, I request you that in this day you give a message that patients with B and C must get treatment free of cost. As a doctor, we want to reach out. The Liver Institute this year tripled its number. We have already seen about 55,000 liver patients. But that's a drop in the ocean. How can we reach to 500 million people? To you, His Holiness, your one blessing and the world will change in the direction. We really need your blessings that we can reach to people. We don't want them to suffer. We don't want to have all these viruses. And our 15-year-old campaign, which we started in 1998, is so privileged to have you today. That now we have a new faith. We have new enthusiasm. We have a new mission through your coming to go to greater heights beyond Delhi, beyond India, and all over the world. His Holiness, we have developed a small prayer room here in the Institute. We would like you to be the first to pray for the suffering humanity. If you pray, the sufferings will decrease, if not eliminate. We also would like you to plant a tree. Planting a tree is giving new life. Your planting a tree will give new life to millions, those who are suffering from hepatitis and liver diseases. His Holiness, I am not a scholar, I am a simple doctor. But what I remember, there are three types of Prakriti, as said in Gita. One is the Sattvic or good. One Pravati is the one which brings you down, called Tamas Prativi. And third is your Rajas. All three are different kinds of your gunas. Doctors always have to give the Sattvic, the good kind of, so that patients feel better. We would like you, His Holiness, that all the doctors, the nurses, the technicians, the staff in this institute has that feeling, that approach, that we go to the people with a different mission. We are all perishable. We know we will die. We know the day is not far that we will die. None of us will take our body or our organs. His Holiness, The institute has done about 108 liver transplants and 19 kidney transplants. One is going on even today. Effort that organ donation is the biggest Angadaan, it is the biggest donation of life. His Holiness, your saying would certainly go a long way for us. You had seen 3 little children. They all received new liver. I know you have blessed them and many more patients who are sitting there. I also want a small humble request. ILBS is a university, deemed university, probably the only liver university in the world. We have young students, all students brighter than me, very young faculty, everyone smarter than me. Please bless our students, please bless our faculty so that they become the very best in the world. His Holiness, His Holiness, give us your blessings, lit our path, give us the courage, give us the confidence to treat the sickest of sick patients and that no one can be turned back. Through the helping hand of God, allow us to serve people and give hope that ILBS and the hepatitis campaign would live forever. We indeed are very grateful and very blessed.